Good morning, guys. This is Granny Princess Amberella here.
And Granny Carol here.
I know you guys are used to seeing us do our crazy eagle eye dancing videos.
But today, we're going to be talking about some granny wisdom and some things that we're thankful for.
Because we is smart.
Yes, we are.
We
Yes,
smart.
we are.
You know what, Granny Carol?
What, Granny?
It ought to be a sin for a woman to have to get up and make her own coffee this early in the morning.
I believe it is a sin. It's in the Bible. You know that book that says he brews?
Hebrews! Girl, that's some good granny wisdom right there. And you know what? If it's in the Bible, it's the truth.
Yes, ma'am. You know, as I've been thinking, as we've been getting up on age, we have so much to be thankful for.
Yes, girl, we are some blessed ladies.
Yes, ma'am. You got any advice to give people? What would it be?
Well, you know, in all my 72 years, I've learned a thing or two. And I'd probably say the first and most important one would be to love God and love others.
Amen.
I mean, that's his greatest commandment, so you might just want to do it. I would.
Yeah.
And the second, for me, would be, you got to forgive people when they do you wrong.
Oh, that's a hard one.
It is a hard one, but once you do it, let me tell you, honey, you feel such a sense of peace. It is so good for your life. How about you, Granny Carol? Do you have any words of advice?
Oh yeah, I've learned a lot over the decades, you know. First is, there's always a reason for what happens to you, you know?
Yeah.
You gotta believe in yourself and you gotta stand up for yourself.
Absolutely.
I mean, you just never give up. You know, that's by the great Winston Churchill.
Oh, and he was a smart
He
one too, girl.
was,
He
he
was.
was.
You know
Yes,
what?
he was.
That's some great advice.
Mm-hmm.
We sure have learned a lot through the years.
Yes, we have.
But you know what? It's about time to go Black Friday shopping.
Yes,
Yes,
let's
girl,
go Black
let's
Friday
go.
shopping.
Hey, can we knock some folks down?
Yes, let's go.
You know what else is some good advice?
What's that?
You probably don't want to take a laxative and sleeping pill on the same night.
No, you don't. You sure better have some clean drawers in the morning if you do.
Because they're going to be brown.
Something I learned.
What's that?
Don't ever admit you have money. If your man decides to send you to the grocery store and ask you if you need some money to go, you always say
Woo!
yes.
Yes, that is some good stuff
Yes,
right there.
Yes, ma'am.
You know what I learned when I was back in high school?
Ooh, what's that?
You going out on a date, you wearing a dress or a skirt, all you got to do is shave from the ankle down.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
it.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, these are the worst grits I've ever had.
Well, how do you like these grits?
You did it again.